Soft Snacks production line or extruder is one of the hot-selling machine in SunPring. Its main process includes mixing, conveying, extrusion, spraying, and cooling. The raw materials adopts corn, rice, wheat, oat, etc. The products has variety shapes are available for ball, tube, stick, ring, Fruit Loop, star, wheel, and flower, and heart shape by adjusting the mold in the extruder. The snack extruder has high rust resistance, longer life, high efficiency, and other characteristics. Its main market are Thailand, Russia, India, Mexico, South Africa, Iran, Brazil, Italy, etc.